How to apply for options on Charles Schwab. Click on Profile and select Margin and Options. If the account is unable to apply for options through the online process, you'll be directed to a form version to complete. For this example, we'll continue with the online application. Here, you'll need to select the account you would like to submit for options trading approval, and then click the Apply for link under the options level you would like to apply for. Additionally, if you don't already have margin access, you'll be given the option to add margin access to your account before moving forward. This brings up the application for options approval form. You must complete this form to apply to trade options or to apply for an upgrade to your current options approval level. In options trading, there are several different approval levels. Each level allows you to trade certain option strategies. Generally, the higher-leveled strategies carry the most risk, but keep in mind that all levels incur a certain level of risk. To compare each of these option levels, select Compare Strategies. Once you've selected an option level, you'll be required to submit a variety of qualifying information, which includes creating a trading profile, sharing your employment status, source of income, and more. Once complete, select Continue. Next, you'll be required to read and consent to various agreements before moving forward. Once read, select the I consent box to proceed and hit Submit. After completing and submitting this form, you'll be emailed the status of your request within 3 business days, or sent a letter in the mail within 5 to 8 business days if you haven't enrolled in paperless communication. Thanks for watching.